So hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Leah Macharia. I'm coming live from Africa, Kenya, Nairobi to be specific, and I'm coming from work right now. Yes, I'm going home. As you can see, it's very late. It's around 6 p.m. in the evening. So yeah, yeah, 6 p.m. in the evening. I'm coming from work. Yes guys, so let's go home together guys. So yes, make sure you watch this video until the end, give it a thumbs up, and tell me what you think about today's vlog. Keep subscribing, keep liking my video, watch my videos from the start to the end. Yes, I will stop by somewhere. I was supposed to stop at the bank and do some. I wanted to open an account, but now it's very late guys. I don't know how I'm supposed to do that. Yes, I don't know how traffic there is crazy. Just pass through here. Yes, it's Saturday and everybody is outside having a good time. Yes, yes guys. So I don't know how I'll get that account for my work, because I'm supposed to open an account where you're supposed to deposit my money, and they wanted by Monday. So I'm wondering, how will that happen? Okay. So I'll stop somewhere and eat something because I didn't eat the whole day. Yeah, on Saturdays they don't provide us with lunch or even tea. You just sort yourself, but on weekdays they always sort us with food. I'm so hungry. I'll stop by and eat something. Yes. So let's go and see. This is the road coming from town, and the matatus that you can see, they are coming from the capital city, from the capital. Kenyan life of a Kenyan. So yeah, so keep subscribing guys. We just clocked 600 subscribers, so yeah, keep subscribing. You see the banks are all closed. I don't know. I've always applied for this company, the Typhoid Better Tells Better Life. It's a big company, but I don't know if they don't ever see my CV or what happens, because they have never replied. Yes, it's a big company. Yes, I wanted to work there as a procurement officer. so I don't know. But Kenya is all about corruption and connection. Double C. You don't have that, buddy, you are cooked. You are cooked a big time, because you're gonna hit the rock bottom before you find a real job. See, traffic is crazy in the evening. So, good morning, guys. This is the following day after yesterday. Yeah, you saw me coming from work. Now this is the following day on a Sunday, 5th July 2026. So yes, guys, good morning, good evening, according to where you're watching this video from. My name is Leah Macharia. I welcome you once more in my YouTube channel. I would like you guys to hit that like button and also subscribe, and also to watch this video until the end. And yes, I'm cooking ugari in the morning because yesterday night we didn't cook because I was very sleepy and tired, so we just came and sleep. So now we are cooking ugari here, guys, so that we eat. I have some milk here, as you can see. I'll put this milk for Lynn to eat with, and also for me I had some omena here. These are omenas inside here, cooked ones, so I'll just eat with that. Yes, guys, so yeah, how are you guys? How is your day? How is your night? How is everything, guys? So let's spend this day together and see how it will enroll, or how it will roll. Yes, guys, so keep watching, my people. So guys, I'm warming the omenas. These are sand dunes in English, so that I eat with them the ugari. I've already given Lynn her meal. As you all can see, she have eaten, and this is what she have made. I think it's okay now, like that. Yeah, it's okay now. I just need to eat now. So yes, guys, the weather today is very dull. I don't know. It's very dull, guys. You can see. Very, very dull. I've entered the winter season. And this is always like this during these months. Yes. The nature of the weather. Yes, guys. So just cope with the what we have for now. We'll wait for the sun to come out later on. In a few months to come, then we'll enter summer on September. My kid has a very aggressive flu don't wanna open the window because here the wind is very 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 harsh. Goja mom, ja nikuonyeshe tusuke hapa kuna baridi. Twende. So we are going for the milk so that we make some tea. Twende mom.
Okay.
Poa. Lini? Twende. I'm going to buy her some medicine. Some flu medicine because the flu is very bad. Twende. Simama hapo tugoje. Ile Mungu pite. Usiende kwa barabara. Twende basi. Tupande. Bado nataka tikiti. Mkate hapa. Mkate. Jua ikikuja. Nitakubalia jua ikikuja. Alright guys, now I'm back home and I'm making some toast mayais for my kid. You can see. Yes. I already give her ugali, but don't think she is full enough. Yes. Still need to eat some more. This is bread that I am using to make some toast mayai, and also I have cooked some strong tea, black tea, that is for a better word. Yes guys, so and this is the eggs. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now guys. So after this I might do some rowdry. Yes, after this I might do some rowdry because I've not done rowdry like for the past like 1 week. Yeah, you can see this all is rowdry. That bag there is full of dirty clothes. Enjoy. Alright guys, it's about time I enjoy. This is black tea and some tomato, some toasts. Yes guys, so yummy. Bon appetit. See you later guys. So hello guys, welcome back. This is during the evening, and as you can see guys, I'm sweeping the house. I'm doing some general cleaning because the whole of the following week I won't be able to do this, so I'm just trying to do some cleaning. Yes guys.